So here we have the RME-69 chassis. I've got it switched to band 2 at the moment, and what I've done here is I've disconnected the band 1 coil where it connects to the band change switch. So this is the primary of the plate winding of the transformer between the RF stage and the mixer stage. So this carries the B plus voltage, about 240 volts, to the plate of the RF tube over here via this section of the band change switch. So as you can hear, there's just background noise at the moment. There's no crashing noises or anything like that. But I'm on band 2. So I'm going to switch to band 1. Now when I switch to band 1, there's no high voltage going through this section of the switch at all. It's disconnected here. The coil still has high voltage to it, but it's not connecting through the switch to the plate of the RF tube. And there's still quite a loud crackling noise present on band 1. Not on band 2, but on band 1. There's no high voltage going through that switch at all now. And I'll just check that there's no actual plate voltage on this tube. And that meter there is monitoring the plate voltage. There's nothing there. So there's no high voltage going through this gang of the band change switch. So it's not that switch, which is sort of good news. But it now begs the question, well, where's this noise coming from? If I disconnect the grid connection to the mixer tube, the noise isn't present. So that's why I suspected this switch was arcing, but I don't think it is. It's possible there still could be some arcing going on in that coil. Unlikely, but it's possible, and that's being picked up by a stray RF signal in the rest of the circuitry. It's quite low level. I've got the gain at maximum there, but it needs resolving. I'm not quite sure where to go next. So I think I'll probably investigate that coil. Probably investigate the mixer stage to see if there's something around there that's causing this problem.